This is the storm, Kim, as you mentioned. It brought 8 to 18 inches of snow, 18 inches of snow to Copper Mountain, 8 inches to Breckenridge. So a big mountain snow producer. And overnight, many areas saw a third to a half an inch of rain. But things are looking so much better this afternoon, and the winds are slowly starting to decrease. The wind has been a feature for us for the last 3 or 4 days. And that wind created areas of blowing snow on I-70. It's still snowing lightly, but the winter weather and travel advisories will be canceling out. We get a break tomorrow ahead of the next storm and chance for rain and snow, and that will be Wednesday night into Thursday. Temperatures were warm in southeastern Colorado, seasonal but much cooler for Denver, Greeley, Fort Collins, and up across the Continental Divide. DIA coming in at 65, humidity, love to see that. Winds lighter west at 12, but out on the eastern plains, the wind is still a big deal. Coming in out of the northwest, blowing to 40 and 50 miles per hour. And we're seeing some of those higher gusts extend, well, out from the Lyman and Akron areas right up into southeastern Wyoming and right over some of those higher passes. So if you're traveling up that way, wind warnings continue through this evening for eastern Colorado, Denver not included, for the potential for a gust of 50 and 60 miles per hour between now and 6 o'clock. Red flag warnings continue tonight and will be reinstated for some areas tomorrow. High fire danger due to the wind, the warmth, and just the dryness there. The wind forecast will show some of the peak gusts occurring between now and about 8:30 over the Continental Divide, and then shifting out of the southwest, becoming so much lighter overnight tonight and tomorrow. So thankfully, the wind is not going to be a big part of our short-term forecast. Now, out ahead of our departing storm is a severe weather threat today that covers about 10 states. Rotating storms, hail, rain, lightning. We're seeing just the back edge of that storm bringing showers to the North Platte area. This system will lift into the northeast, but right along this frontal boundary where we're seeing cooler air collide with warmer air, we're seeing some vertical development with those storms, and large hail is something we may be talking about across the central plains. High pressure is going to set up temporarily tomorrow ahead of the next storm, which will arrive tomorrow night. And so with southwest winds, we're going to get into the 70s, but look upstream. That's some cold air. And what that means is the scattered rain showers that we're forecasting Wednesday evening into Thursday morning could mix with snow. It may be cold enough. We're not forecasting accumulation, shouldn't have much of an impact, but just be aware it's cold enough that it might be snowflakes you see flying and not just raindrops. And then we're going to see this again Friday night into Saturday morning. So a very unsettled few days for us, but again, we get a break tonight and a nice break tomorrow. Low temperatures tonight, how about 40 for Denver, 39 in Lamar, 28 Leadville, and 29 in Steamboat. High temperatures tomorrow, toasty warm in the southeast, 80s tomorrow, beautiful. 72 for Denver, almost 80 in Grand Junction. And looking at some of the foothill numbers coming up a bit, 53 for Netherland and 60 for Bailey, Conifer, and West Creek. In the Denver metro area for tonight, decreasing wind, clouds moving out, our low at 40, beautiful evening. Nice day tomorrow, partly sunny, low 70s, late in the day, increasing clouds. Tomorrow night, overnight, scattered rain showers mixing with snow into Thursday morning. Thursday's high only 50. And then we have scattered rain showers, but a milder Friday. Friday night into Saturday, cold air means highs in the 40s with some rain and snow showers early Saturday. Then we're done. We get a break. You get sunshine in upper 60s Sunday, and then back to the 70s for Monday and Tuesday of next week.